Okay, very rarely now do I directly respond to comments, but I think this will be a fun one because it's just like, it's so sheerly arrogant. Okay, so I got a comment on a short recently announcing that Hexscatter is now on Blender Market because I got some requests for that, right? Because if it's on Gumroad, it should be on Blender Market as well. We were just waiting for Chris or Azzy, they go by both names, to get an account set up, right? And that's how it should be because I like doing collab products like that. If we're doing it, we're going to do it properly where I'm going to make sure they're getting half the cut. Anyway, on that short on YouTube, I got a comment saying, you know, why haven't you put a link to the product in here? Oh yeah, it's because you want us to go and watch the original video, you know, like kind of shady. It's all about click retention and views. So in case you don't know, we are not allowed to put links in short descriptions or comments. Well, we are allowed to put them in there, but they're non-clickable. It's one of the few places on YouTube where you can't put clickable links. Why would I intentionally make it harder for someone to buy my own product? We get more money from someone just going and buying the product while they're still thinking about it than going and watching the original video about it, which gives you like, what, a few pennies per 1,000 views? It doesn't make any sense. I'm going to read you the comment quickly because it just rubbed me so much the wrong way. So a direct link to this would be nice, helpful, convenient, appreciated, etc. And other random descriptors which aren't directly stating what I think you should do, because who the fuck am I to say or tell you what to do in your content? Just a mere simple suggestion, thought, or an idea maybe. A friendly, helpful critique if you will. Are you having a stroke? Okay, I'll shut the fuck up now. Lol, looks great, thanks for the info. Edit. I see the ploy now. It should have been obvious. The old watch the full video link tactic. Viewer traffic is king, I suppose. Well played, sir. Well played. No, you... They're non-clickable, so literally the easiest way for someone on a mobile to get to the store page is to, yes, click on the related video, and then in the description at the very top is the link for the product. Because as it says on the YouTube help site, to reduce spam and scam attempts, URLs placed in YouTube Shorts in the comments and the descriptions are non-clickable. So literally, the easiest way for someone to get to the product page is to go onto the original video and then click where it is clickable. I'm not leaving them out of the shorts description as some viewership ploy. It's literally non-functional, which is also the reason why they're not in certain other platform posts, like Instagram, for example, because links are non-clickable on Instagram. Now, like I said, usually I wouldn't respond to this, but it's just like the sheer tone of it. I see the ploy now. It should have been obvious. The old watch the full video link tactic, viewer traffic is king. Well played, sir. Well played. That's the thing that annoys me more than anything else, when people just think they're right immediately. Oh, I had an idea, therefore it's correct. It's just like how YouTube deletes comments that have links in them or they're edited too quickly. That's something we noticed. There's also been so many times in the past where people have had a complaint about a video I've made, or they share an alternate opinion, and then obviously when people get angry and they get themselves up in a racket about something, they edit their comment when they realize they make a mistake. So they type really quickly to get an opinion across, they edit, then they add links to like places on Google, and then they realize that their comment has disappeared from the video. So immediately they think, oh yes, I'm a genius. I realize the creator is singling me out and deleting my comment. Therefore, they don't like my opinion. No, you were just looking like a suspicious, scammy person in the comments. Happens all the time. I did a video on my second channel about it saying, where did the comments go? And that found a whole audience of people that didn't understand why their comments getting deleted. But naturally, that also summoned up a whole bunch of not so great personalities. So I made that one unlisted in the end, because I think I got a comment about someone celebrating the ex-CEO of YouTube's son's death or something, and I was like, okay, look, clearly that's attracting not very good people. But the point is, just because you think you've noticed something, it doesn't mean you're right. Do a little bit more research, or just ask me like, hey, just wondering, why aren't there links in these ones? And I'll go, oh, I thought they weren't clickable in there, so it's just easier if we put the links here instead. If I'm wrong about something, then I'll change it and be like, oh, okay, yeah, you're right, it would actually be easier to put them there, so I'll change the release policy from now on. I've got release policies on my Notion. I have an understanding of where like the link flow goes between different types of content, and if you want like links to everything, it's on codestyle.online/links. But if you have suggestions for making things more convenient for people, then let me know. But the thing is, like I said, we have to work around the platform policies. Anyway, sorry for the video. I've been studying mast cell degranulation all month, and it's been making me a little bit, I don't know, I'm losing chill a bit. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon.